Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 1. Factorize means find the different factors. So in the first step, we need to show is x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2 or x plus 2 other factors. Let's first check up if x minus 1 is a factor. Now to check if x minus 1 is a factor, you say x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. We know the p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. And now you're going to find p of 1. So wherever there is x, you will put 1 plus 2. So here we put 1, 1, 1. We go ahead and solve this. P of 1 equal to 1 cube is 1, minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. This cancels out, minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So here P of 1 equal to 0, which means a remainder is equal to 0. And if remainder is equal to 0, we say therefore x minus 1 is factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. If x minus 1 is factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, the next step is step 2 to find other factor. Now to find the other factor, we need to do long division. We need to divide this polynomial by one of the factor x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 and we divide it by x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. In the first step, you take this first term and this first term and you divide it. So you have x cube over x, which is equal to x square. You write to x square here. Now take x square and multiply by these entire brackets, that is x minus 1. This becomes x cube minus x square. This x cube minus x square, you have to now write it below this, minus just x square, so 1x square. Now you subtract means you change the sign, so this is minus, this is plus. This would cancel out, plus x cube minus x cube would cancel. Minus 2x square minus 1x square is minus 1x square minus x plus 2. Now we start the same process. We take the first term and the first term here and we divide it. So we have minus x square over x, which is equal to x. So we write here equal to minus x. So we write minus x. The next step is minus x multiply by the divisor. So x minus 1, which is minus x square plus x. Now we need to write this under the similar term. So minus 1x square, here is plus x. The next step is to subtract. Subtract means change the sign. The minus becomes plus, the plus becomes minus. And now you're going to cancel. Minus x square plus x square, you cancel. Here minus x, you get minus 2x plus 2. Now again for the same step, you take the first term here and the first term here and divide it. So minus 2x over x equal to minus 2. So you write minus 2. Now multiply minus 2 into this entire bracket. So we do minus 2 into x minus 1, which means minus 2x plus 2. So we'll put here minus 2x plus 2. Now we change signs. The minus is plus and the plus is minus. Now this cuts out and the remainder comes 0. And this is the remainder expected. The remainder has to come 0 because we know x minus 1 is the factor. So we'll now use the division algorithm. We know x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. Now we need to go ahead and do middle term split of the second factor. So the second factor, I'll write it another color, x square minus x minus 2. I'm doing middle term split of the second factor. So x minus 1 I write as it is. Here I do middle term split, so it becomes x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. So here x minus 1, I just copy it out. Out here I take common out, so x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2. So here we have x minus 1. So this is x minus 2 x plus 1. So now we see that x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 has got 3 factors. This is factor 1, 2 and 3. So we have factorized the polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Thus we conclude that the factors of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 are x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now because we have minus 5, the zeros could be plus minus 1 or plus minus 5. So in step 1, we need to find out, is x minus 1 the factor? Is x plus 1 the factor? Is x plus 5 the factor? Or x minus 5 the factor? Let us start with x minus 1 to check if x minus 1 is factor. So to check if x minus 1 is the factor, we do x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So P of 1 equal to 1 cube, 3x square, 9x minus 5. So you have here 1, 1, 1. Go ahead and see P of 1 equal to 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 5. So we have P of 1 equal to minus 16. Now remainder is equal to minus 16. Remainder is not 0. Not equal to 0. Therefore, I can say x minus 1 is not the factor. Is not factor of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So if x minus 1 is not the factor, now we got to check if x plus 1 is a factor. Factor of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So we do the same procedure. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So I have P of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So we have P of 1 equal to x cube minus 3x square 9x minus 5. So this is 1, 1 and 1. So I have P of 1 equal to 1 minus 3 minus 9. Here this is P of minus 1. So this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. So here we have now minus, this will be right, this will be plus 9 minus 5. So P of 1 equal to 0. remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is factor of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now that we know one factor, we need to find the other factor. That is my step 2, to find other factor. And to find another factor, we just need to divide the polynomial. So we have x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So we go ahead with this division, and what we get on the top here, the quotient, will be the other factor. So here we are doing the division. We'll take the first term x cube and the first term of the divisor and divide it. X cube over x, and on division you get x square. Now this x square, we're going to write it here. The next step, multiply the x square by the divisor, which is x cube plus x square. Now this x cube plus x square, we need to write it in the division. So here is x cube plus 1x square. Subtraction, we change the signs. So the plus becomes minus here, and the minus becomes, the plus becomes minus. So we cancel this. Minus 3x square minus 1x square, and that becomes minus 4x square. We bring minus 9x down here, and we bring minus 5 down. Let me start the same process. Take the first term and this first term, and you divide it. So we have minus 4x square over x, which is minus 4x. Now this minus 4x, I'm going to write it out here, minus 4x. The next, the minus 4x, you need to multiply by the divisor, that is x plus 1, which becomes minus 4x square minus 4x. So we write it out, minus 4x square minus 4x. We need to subtract. Subtract means changing the sign. Minus is plus. Minus is plus. The minus becomes plus when you subtract. Here this cancels out. Minus 9x plus 4x is minus 5x. Minus 5. Now the next step. Again, take this first term. So we have minus 5x divided by x. So it is minus 5x divided by x, which is minus 5. So you write here minus 5. And now you multiply minus 5 by the divisor, x plus 1 minus 5x minus 5. So minus 5x minus 5. We need to subtract. To subtract means to change the sign. The minus becomes plus. The minus becomes plus. Cancels out. It is 0. And we expect the remainder to be 0 because it is a factor. So now we can write equal to x plus 1 into x square minus 4x minus 5. So this is what we have written. Now we need to factorize the polynomial. So we have x plus 1 is one factor, and the other factor, which is x square minus 4x minus 5, we're going to do the middle term split here. So x plus 1, and here x square. The 4x, I will break it up into minus 5x plus 1x, and this is minus 5. So here equal to x plus 1. We take common out, x, what will remain here is x minus 5, here plus 1 common out from these two. What remains is x minus 5. So you have x plus 1, x minus 5, and x plus 1. So we've got three factors of the polynomial. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 equal to x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1. So the three factors here, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore the factors of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x minus 5 are x plus 1, one factor, x minus 5 and x plus 1. Factorize x cubed plus 13x squared plus 32x plus 20. Now since this is plus 20, the factors could be plus minus 1, plus minus 2 or plus minus 4, all factors of 20, plus minus 5, also plus minus 10. So the factors could be x plus 1 or x minus 1, x plus 2 or x minus 2, x plus 5 or x minus 5, x plus 4 or x minus 4, or x plus 10, x minus 10. Let us first check if x minus 1 is a factor. So is x minus 1 the factor of x cubed plus 13x squared plus 32x plus 20? To check if x minus 1 is a factor, you do x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, p of x is equal to x cubed plus 13x squared plus 32x plus 20. Here we'll do p of plus 1, and this will be equal to 1 cube, 13 square, 32x plus 20. So wherever there is x, I will put 1. Now turns p of 1 equal to 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. And this is definitely not 0. So p of 1 equal to 66. So remainder is equal to 66. Remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not factor of x cubed plus 13x squared 32x plus 20. Now if x minus 1 is not the factor, it is now time to check if x plus 1 is a factor. Is x plus 1 the factor of x cubed plus 13x squared plus 32x plus 20? To check this, we'll do x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So p of x, remember we are checking for this polynomial. So p of x equal to x cubed plus 13x squared 32x plus 20. So we have p of x means p of 1 minus 1 here, which is equal to x cubed 13x squared 32x plus 20. So x is minus 1, here minus 1. So we have now p of minus 1. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1. This is plus 13. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. This will be here 32 into minus 1 will be minus 32 plus 20. So p of minus 1 is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So it becomes minus 33 plus 33. So p of minus 1 is 0. So remainder is equal to 0. If remainder is 0, we can say x plus 1 is factor of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now to find the other factor, we need to divide. We need to divide the polynomial, which is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. We need to divide it by the factor. We know x plus 1 is a factor, so we need to divide, and the quotient that we get will be the other factor. Now to divide, we take the first term. So we have x cube over x becomes x square. So we'll write x square here and multiply x square by the divisor, that is x plus 1. So we have x cube plus x square. And on dividing, you'll get here, write it out here, x cube plus 1x square. We need to change the signs because we are going to subtract. The plus becomes minus. Here this is minus, the plus becomes minus. Now this cuts out because plus x cube minus x cube, it cuts. Here we'll get 13x square minus 1x square, and this is 12x square plus 32x plus 20. Now for the next, we need to divide 12x square by x. So we'll divide now 12x square by x, and this becomes 12x. So I'll write here plus 12x. Remember, this was one step which we are done with. Now we're getting on to the next step. So we now do 12x into the divisor, x plus 1, which is 12x squared plus 12x. So here we have 12x squared plus 12x. We'll change the sign because we need to subtract. Subtraction means changing the sign. The plus is minus. The plus here is minus. And we cancel this out. 32 minus 12x, and that is 20x plus 20. Now same procedure again. We divide 20x by x. So 20x by x, which is equal to 20. So we put here plus 20. So we do 20 into x plus 1, which is 20x plus 20. So we have here 20x plus 20. We are subtracting, so we change the sign. The plus is minus here. And we now plus 20 minus 20 cut, plus 20 minus 20, 0. And the remainder has come 0, and that is what we expected because we know it is a factor. So now we can write x cube equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. However, the next factor, which is x square plus 12x, we'll write another color because we need to now do middle term split. So we have x plus 1. Here we have x square. Now the 12x, we will break it up into 2x plus 10x to give us 20. And this is plus 20. So x plus 1, here we take common out from these two terms, x common out, x plus 2. From these two terms, 10 common out, x plus 2. So this is x plus 1, x plus 2, and here x plus 10. So we've got the three factors. So we can say x cube plus 13x square 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 10. So we can conclude that this polynomial has x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10 as factors. Factorize 2y cube minus y square minus 2y. So the zeros could be, since this is 1 here, the zeros could be plus or minus 1. So the factors could be y plus 1 or it could be y minus 1. Let us check if y plus 1 is a factor. So we have y plus 1 equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. Our polynomial p of y is equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So here we have p of y and our y is minus 1 equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So here is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1 raised to 3 will be minus 1. Minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1. This is minus 2 minus 1 is plus 2 minus 1. So when you solve this, this is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So p of minus 1 equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that y plus 1 is factor of 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So if y plus 1 is factor of 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, how do we find the other factor? We find the other factor by division. So that is our step 2. To find other factor, we have to divide y plus 1, divide the polynomial by y plus 1. So 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, and you need to divide. So again, the first step is you take 2y cube and this y and you divide it. 2y cube over y, 2y square. So this is now 2y square. Now the 2y square we need to multiply y plus 1. So it becomes 2y cube plus 2y square. So let's write that out. 2y cube plus 2y square. We will change the signs. The plus becomes minus. The plus is minus here. This cancels out. And now you will get 1y square plus 2y minus 2y square. And that would be minus y square. Minus 2y minus 1. Now for the next, we have minus y square and y. Divide that, minus y square over y, which is minus y. So you write minus y. Now multiply minus y into y plus 1. And you get here minus y square minus y. So you write that now here, minus y square minus 1y. And we need to change the sign to subtract. So minus becomes plus, this cancels out. Here minus 2y plus 1y will be minus y minus 1. Now the last step, we divide minus y by y. So this is 1 minus y by y, and that is minus 1. So I'll put minus 1 here. Now I multiply minus 1 into y plus 1, and I will get here minus y minus 1. We change the sign to subtract. The minus becomes plus, the minus becomes plus, and this cancels out. The remainder is 0, which is expected. The remainder has to be 0 because we know y plus 1 is a factor. So we know 2y cubed plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to y plus 1, one factor, and the other factor is 2y square minus y minus 1. So this is y plus 1. We have to do the middle term split of 2y square minus y minus 1. So here we have y plus 1. 2y square, I'm going to do middle term split of minus y, and the middle split of minus y is minus 2y plus y minus 1. So here equal to y plus 1. Here take common out from 2y square and 2y, so 2y common out, y minus 1 plus 1 common out, y minus 1. So equal to y plus 1, and on the other side you write y minus 1, 2y plus 1. So we've got 3 factors of 2y cubed plus y square minus 2y minus 1, and the 3 factors are here 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore we conclude 2y cubed plus y square minus 2y has 3 factors, and the 3 factors are y plus 1, y minus 1, 2y plus 1.